Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to search for items using Google Lens on Motorola G15. So you have two options. The first one is just to take a picture. I already took one and go into Google Photos. Then tap on the picture that I would like to search for. For example, this plant right here. Now just tap on Lens. And as you can see, the results online are pretty accurate, but what you can also do is go into the camera and now tap on this icon in the top left corner, tap on open camera, grant access. Now we can just take a picture of something using this like shutter icon, bang, and as you can see it also is showing me results online. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.